Still no clear answer on when Camp Nou will reopen, and the silence from the club is frustrating. But the stadium itself tells a different story. From glass panels sealing the shops to escalators waiting to be fixed, real progress is happening. Today, we're walking through the latest construction. Every corner, every crane, and every detail you've been waiting to see. Down in the parking lot, concrete is pouring non-stop. The host calls it a concrete maze, tightly packed walls and formwork shaping the new underground. Workers are everywhere, moving equipment, tiling floors, and tying in rebar. Two major pillars now connect the main floor to the street, while a new accessibility ramp joins escalator access for strollers and wheelchairs. The design isn't uniform, possibly to help with rainwater drainage, but it's clearly taking shape. At ground level, there's a mix of order and chaos. Fences separate mobility access from material deliveries, while tower crane number 3 swings supplies into place. Stored components for the stadium's ceramic blades, the facade feature everyone's waiting for, are being checked and tested. Some supports are already installed, with workers measuring and debating every detail. The safety gear is everywhere. Inside the VIP ring, partition walls are going up, dividing the catering rooms and hospitality lounges. Workers hustle while supervisors watch closely. But the standout is the south goal corner. Structurally, it's the most advanced area of the stadium. Columns already rise to the 3rd level, reinforced and bound tight. The project manager is on site, making sure every rod and joint is perfectly placed. This corner really shows what the finished stadium will look like. The northern corner isn't far behind. Concrete pours are rapid, scaffolding is up, and expansion joints are being tested. Temporary wooden planks look like water reflections at first glance, but they're actually covering freshly poured sections. Workers move fast here, laying beams and setting supports so the structure can handle its massive load. From the balcony, the scale is jaw-dropping. False ceilings and even lighting panels are already appearing around door number 41. The commercial area is nearly closed off with glass, fabric sheets hiding the interiors as ticketing gates and stairs take shape. Outpatient clinics, once a smelly nuisance, are finally gone, clearing the way for smoother access. Cranes handle logistics, while escalators are positioned inside but not yet fixed. Down on the field, hybrid grass, stitched from natural and synthetic turf, is being laid out. Seats are slowly being installed, though plenty still remain unfinished. This week proves that Camp Nou is edging closer to first occupancy. Parking lots now look like labyrinths of concrete. VIP rooms are dividing into real spaces, and both goal corners show advanced progress. Accessibility ramps, hybrid grass, and lighting panels point to a stadium preparing for life again. The only thing missing? An official reopening date. With inspections coming soon, the countdown is real, and the next update could be even bigger. If you enjoyed this update, hit that like and subscribe to Goat Stadiums. We cover every beam, seat, and surprise at Camp Nou, and you won't want to miss what's coming next.